Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here, and it is a beauty makeup set, and it is for ages 8 and up. This is what comes inside the box. Super cute. I love that it comes with this little purse, like this carrying purse. My daughter actually already seen it and she loves it. I did take everything out of the packets and everything because everything was wrapped up individually, and then I did swatch all the colors on the back of my hand. So it's not these right here. That's from another video. So it's all these different colors right there. All the makeup is like a kid's makeup, so it's really powdery. It's just for like a girl sleepover or something like that. It's not like made to professionally wear. So this is everything it comes with. It has a little mirror. I love the leopard design on the inside. So it comes with a little empty spray bottle. It has nothing in it, so you could put like some face mist or something like that in there. It comes with a little beauty sponge, and then this is a empty lip gloss container like this. But there is nothing on the inside, as you can see. Now, a lot of the palettes in here have the exact same tones. It's like this orangey pink tone. So as you can see, like this, they have like the same tone combos, you can see. So you can see like all these different tones, or like all these tones are pretty much the same ones that are in this one. And they all just have the same feel to them. They do come with these little like makeup brushes. Let me go ahead and open it. But it's that same like kind of like chalk type feel to it. Just like very smooth and chalky. So it comes with all these different eyeshadow palettes right here. This one does have different tones. And then it comes with a blush as well, which I've swatched all the colors right there. It comes with some glitters, which it does not have a lot of glitter in it. I barely stuck my finger in this, and you can see it already hit pan. So not a lot of product in these. It comes with a face powder that looks like that. Just a very, very light shade powder with a powder puff. But your girl's going to look just very girly with this. It comes with these two lipsticks right here, which are these two shades right here. So you can see they're kind of glossy. So not very pigmented, which is great because I don't want my girl wearing lipstick. It comes with some toe separators with a little fingernail file. It comes with these two nail polishes right there, which are very cute. And then all these different makeup brushes right here. But let me go ahead and show you what my girls think about it and show you them actually putting this stuff on.
Okay, great. Just be quiet. Just rub your lips together.
Okay.
Okay, go. No, go. And stay like that. Okay, stop.
Wait, is this what you do, Mom? Her do my face.
So this is how it turned out. Do you guys like it?
Yep.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.